Welcome to Fall 2020, Calculus 2 students. All right, good to have you here. My name is Rich Weber. I've been teaching here a while. I also teach part-time or full-time at Long Beach City College. I've been teaching for a while now. Love math, it's good stuff. And Calc 2 has a lot of good, useful material. It's also kind of notorious for, watch out, oh no, the series, I hated that section, whatever. Man, we're going to do it. We're going to go through this thing. I'll be the best guide that I can possibly be for you. And the world is a little bit different because it's a quarantine semester. But anyway, what I've got to do is tell myself to not overtalk it. I try to keep my videos to about 5 minutes. We're a little bit over already. But okay, what I want to do is share a screen with you. And we're going to take a look at what this class is all about. So I'm going to share this guy. And I need you to step out of the way. There you go. So here we are. This is Calc 2 website. I have another video that you can watch about how to go through the website, what's important where. I'm going to go straight to content. Okay, follow me there. And then I'm going to cruise on down to course documents. And you're going to see three things there. You're going to see the schedule, which is really cool. In fact, I'll show it to you very quickly. Let's see, here we go. It's going to be kind of small. The schedule has everything on it in case you're missing it. You can make this a little bit bigger, I think. There you go. And essentially, the thing you worry about is every time we're in class, we take a poll. I'm just asking you questions. Usually it's math questions. Why don't you work this out, see what you get? What do you think the answer is, kind of thing. On Fridays, we have our labs. Some of you meet 8 to 10, others 10 to 12. And in the labs, I'm going to have you break up into groups and work together, come back, maybe report out on your solution, maybe show it to people, or whatever it might be. I wish we had better technology that we can share a Jamboard, but I'm thinking that we'll keep it simple. We'll figure this thing out. On the right-hand column, you've got, I think I have a mistake. That should be 8/29 instead, but you have the due dates and when the exams and benchmarks are going on. So let's assume that some people have never done this before at Cal State Long Beach, okay, to help them out. So I'm going to go over here to, well, actually, I think this is a good place to be. You've got on the left-hand side, Tuesdays, you have something called SYW. It's called Show Your Work. And what happens is they are collecting work from you that you do on paper and you scan and you upload to Beachboard, to the appropriate Dropbox. And then a student grader gets in and grades them and gives you the grade for your work, okay? That's one thing. Now you gotta remember that the problems, they come from the ebook and not the WebAssign problems, okay? So it'll be clear on the schedule. And that's one of the files that I have for you. What else? Let's see, you have certain things called quizzes that they've invented. They've got interesting problems, thought-provoking problems that we want to be able to do. And of course, then you do them on exams as well. These are types of problems that make you think. You can't look them up online very easily, that kind of stuff. So it's a matter of really knowing the material and knowing that when we get to our first, second, and third exams over here, you're going to get yourself prepared. When you take an exam in my class, I'm going to release you, I'm going to release the quiz. It's going to be in the form of a quiz. It's a long quiz, but it's going to be online, okay? And on Friday morning, I'm going to say, okay, 8 o'clock or whatever, the quiz is open to everybody, and you can take it anytime you want between Friday morning till Monday midnight. What you do is when you think you're ready, you're prepared, you click on it, it starts the timer, you start working, okay? You need to do your work on paper in order, okay? Because you're going to upload your work, okay? You can fill in the answers on the quiz also, but I want to grade your work with the quiz answers. If the quiz answers, if you make a typo, okay, but I'll be looking at your work, all right? And that's how we do quizzes, and also the final as well. Okay, so I'm almost pretty much done. I'm going to show you the syllabus, and I'm going to take about a minute to do that as well. And oops, what happened? We went there. Okay. I don't know why that happened. Okay. So we'll go to the syllabus for about, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. Take a look at this guy as well. At the top of this thing, you have information on how to reach me. You've got my email address, which is, that's where you go if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you, within 24 hours or sooner. It just depends. You got the class meeting IDs for the Tuesday, Thursday meeting, 8 o'clock in the morning, Friday lab, and finally, the student assist time that I have also. Okay, so percentages. Let's cruise down here very quickly. A lot of information here. You should really read it all. The web assign is worth 25% of your grade. I'm putting a lot of effort there, emphasis there on your grade. We have class participation is 5%. Show your work is 10%. Remember, that's every Tuesday you're turning in homework for the grader. Supplemental activity, I got to talk about that quickly. It's where you meet online in a workshop led by a grad student tutor, okay? Everyone has to do it. There will be a few people exempt because they came in, they took Math 122 or whatever, got an A+. We go, okay, you're exempt. Most students, though, have to go into supplemental. So it's another meeting for you to attend. They take roll, it's 5% of your grade. Quizzes and labs, 10%. The midterms, looks like they're each 10% of your grade, and the final itself is 15. Any questions? Oh yeah, any questions, just email me. I think that's it. I'm gonna stop this video. So happy you guys are here, and good luck, man. I mean, I hope that the tech is gonna work for you. You have time to study. It's a great class, and I bid you adieu.